Musical note: hey Facebook group admins. Want to attract everyone's attention? In this guide, we'll show you how to tag all your team members. Start. Musical note: Step 1, open your group, log into Facebook and navigate to your group. Click on the group name to open it. Step 2, create article, click the create post button, write your message or announcement. Step 3, enter the checkmarks in the tag people section. In the post content, select the tag people section. Check the name tags of the members that Facebook has listed. Step 4, review and post. Double check your post to make sure it is accurate. Click post to share with the group, and you just became a tagging expert. Keep your team engaged and informed. Happy tagging! Musical note: don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching.